Hi, I'm Artful Artsy Amy, and I'm going to show you really quick how you can use Bitmoji in Google Slides. You can use it also in other Google Suite tools, but this is just a little Bitmoji that I can click and drag around. So I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. The first thing is you want to go to Google and you want to search for the Bitmoji Chrome plugin. And so you just click right here. I can't add it because it's already there, but it would have a little option here where you can add it. And what it will do is it will add a little icon right there for you, and you will just log in. So I've already done that, so it's already there. The next thing is that you want to create a slide deck. So here I am in my drive, and I'm going to create a new slide. Really cool slide deck. So you can use the Bitmojis in any slide deck. So let's just we'll just delete this stuff, show you a few things. So what I do is I click right here on the Bitmoji, and it tells me I have to get started because I haven't logged in. So it wants me to log in. I already have an existing login, so I'm just going to use that one. There I am. And so now if I go back to my presentation, I'm all logged in. If I click here again, I have to wait, and it has all this cool stuff here. So maybe let's type in back to school. And then I have all these great options. So I'm a sucker for fun little mushrooms. So I'm going to pick this. I just click and drag it over. You might have to click and drag twice. I don't know why there's that glitch, but there is. I'm going to stick that in there just like that. And now maybe I want her to say something. So Google Slides has a really cool option where you can do callouts. So I'm just going to choose a callout, click and drag. If I use this little gold diamond, I can move the direction. I can change the colors. I like to have it white. I just think it's easier to read. And then I can double check. Why don't we say, welcome back to school. Of course, I gotta change my font because I gotta be all fancy. I really love this Sniglet font. I don't know why I've been using it a lot, but that's fine. And just center it, there you go. Now, let's say that this is great if you're gonna have it up on your projector, it's the perfect format, but let's say you wanted to print this, like maybe you're gonna have a reading nook. Okay, but you don't, it's not gonna print right on your paper, right? So there's a really cool option here in Google Slides. So if you go to File, you scroll all the way down here to Page Setup. See where it says widescreen? I can choose custom. So I'm going to say I want this to be 8.5 by 11 inches and apply. And now it's the right format. I can even, let me zoom out. Oh, no, I'm good. Now it's the right format. I could also change it. So let's say I don't want it to be oriented up and down. I just go to File, Page Setup, and I would just go 11 by 8.5, apply. And there we go. Now I can kind of change it around so that it's going to fit and print really, really well. All right. And so that's one really simple way that you can use Bitmoji in your classroom. Oh, I forgot one thing. Of course, you want to give it your title, but you can download it as a PDF or as a PNG or a JPEG. Those are all files that make it really easy to print. You can print directly from here as well. So it's just whichever option you choose. And that's all there is to using Bitmojis or getting started with Bitmojis in Google Slides.